Hello everyone and welcome back to the Average Hero Bar. This is Aaron and you know it,
AyAy Ron.
of course, AyAy Ron, as known to my friends. You're my friends, right? So, I wanted to show you how I make a classic, the margarita. Now some of you, maybe your past experiences with margarita or making a margarita is tequila and a mix that you've purchased at a store. Although not, well, in my opinion, it's bad. When I started making this margarita, you really don't go back to doing the pre-made mix anymore, the Jose Cuervo. Again, you've heard me about the high fructose corn syrup. It just does not taste great when you've had something really made fresh. So I wanted to share with you a great simple way to make a margarita with a little bit of my twist. I followed a recipe, had 3 ingredients, basically tequila, an orange liqueur, I'm using the Cointreau today, and then lime juice. It's a little bit on the sour side for me, so I added a little bit of simple syrup. So I'm gonna go into what all it is. So let's go ahead and build it. Go ahead and start down here. I'm gonna move a little bit of this stuff out of my way so I can cut our lime. Nice, good, juicy lime there. I'm gonna use this one for the wedge. And then we are gonna use a 1/2 ounce of lime. So again, my citrus squeezer from Zule. Again, I will put that link down below. Stainless steel squeezer, really good for squeezing lots of citrus. So we need a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. We are going to do a 1/2 ounce of the triple sec or orange liqueur. And we're going to do 1.5 ounces of tequila. I like Patron. I like the flavor of Patron. Really don't do Jose Cuervo anymore, just personal preference. But there's a lot of good tequilas out there, so use whatever is your choice. So 1.5 ounces. If you want it a little more robust, you can do 2. And then, like I said, I go with a little bit, just a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. If you want, you can do a 1/4 ounce, you can do more if you want, but it can get sweet real quick. And if you need to know how to make simple syrup, check out my video before. Very simple to make simple syrup. Now, we want a salt lined rim. So we're gonna take one of our lemons. Now we're gonna go along the outside edge, not the inside edge of our glass. And just rim it with a lime. Going into our little salt bath here. So that's ready to go. Again, shaking a drink is mixing it, chilling it, and a little bit of diluting it too. We strain like so. And then I am going to use my wedge as garnish. There you go, simple margarita. Tequila, orange liqueur, simple syrup, and lime juice. Salt if you want it. Cheers. Yep, I just need some tacos. Taco Tuesday. All right, you guys and girls, thank you for joining me here at Average Hero Bar, making a classic, the margarita. And once you do this margarita, you won't go back to doing mix anymore. I guarantee and promise you that. Please like the video before. I swear, it hasn't hit me yet. And give me some comments. Let me know what your favorite drink mix is. If there's any cocktails or drinks that you would like to see made, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be having more videos in relation to bar, the garage, home, kitchen, cooking, that type of things. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe. Thank you so much for the love. You guys have a great day. Be safe.